So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Google Meet notifications keep missing and you're not able to actually get your notifications to pop up inside of Google Meets. Now, doing this is actually very basic and it really does not take too much time at all. So the first thing I'd recommend doing is to just double check your notification settings. So hop inside of your settings application of your device that you have and you want to go into notifications. From here, you're going to want to go into app notifications and you just want to make sure your notifications for your applications actually go through. So just go through, just enable it like you can see right here. And that is going to be the easiest way to fix this problem. A majority of the time, if you run into this type of problem, it's usually going to be because of one of these types of issues. So make sure that's not the problem. That's kind of the first thing I'd recommend doing. Now, if you do that and that's not working, the next thing I'd recommend doing is to probably just make sure you don't have any sort of do not disturb mode on. Sometimes if you have do not disturb mode on like I have here, that could also cause some issues there as well. So try going through and try disabling do not disturb mode, make sure that's not on, and that can be another really easy way to fix this problem as well. Now, if you do that and that's not working, another thing you might want to try doing is to try updating your Google Meets application. So jump right over here into your Google Play Store or App Store, whatever you have, and just try updating that application. Because sometimes you might just have to try updating it, and that can also be another very simple way of kind of fixing this problem. If that's still not working, you can also try updating. You can try restarting your phone, restarting your PC, whatever you have, and hopefully that'll end up fixing it for you as well. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.